Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to our very first lesson in website designing and development. So in this lesson, I'm going to teach you guys how to download and install the text editor we'll be using to write our HTML codes. And I'm going to teach you guys the basic format of every web page. So I can't wait to see you guys. Let's dive in. So let's head straight to our web browser and type brackets.io. So this is the text editor we'll be using to write our HTML codes. Once you are here on the page, you click on download, and then this should take few seconds. So once you are done downloading the file, you click on open. And then we install it. Yes. So by the way, we have so many text editors, but this is what I normally use when I'm developing my HTML pages. So this should take some few seconds for the installation. Yeah, so once the installation is done, we click on run, and then we have this window open. So the first thing we have to do is go to file, new, and then we'll start by typing our doc type. So doc type HTML. So this is called doc type declaration. So this tells the browser that this page is an HTML5 page. So once this is done, we move to the HTML tag itself. So we have something we call the opening tag and then the closing tag. So this is the opening tag, and then we need to add the closing tag as well. So HTML. Yeah, so inside this tag we'll have all the elements for our web page, and then the next thing we'll be doing is the head tag, which is also opening, and then we have to close this also. So this contains all the informations about the website for the browser. So one of the things we can put in here is the title tag. So we open this and then we close this as well. So this, we have the title of our web page. So let's say my web page. And then out of the head tag, we have something we call the body tag as well. So open this and then we close. So inside the body tag, we'll have everything that will be displaying on the web page. So everything here will show on the website, on our web page. So let's say we have this text. This is my first web page. So once this is done, we go to file, save as. So you can give it any name you want, but don't forget to add the extension, which is which is .html. So I'm going to name this file index, and then I'll add the extension file, which is .html. And then I'll save this on my desktop. So once this is done, we go to desktop. You can see the index.html file here. Yeah, so wow, this is what you get. Don't give up, we'll be doing something better and beautiful later. So this is what we have, the web page. This is the title of the page, and this is what we have in the body. This is my first web page. So in the next tutorial, I'll be teaching you guys about text. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.